So are there any common issues or knowledge gaps that managing successful programs solves? It's quite common for organizations to try to manage multiple projects using a project management methodology or framework, which is rarely sufficient. MSP provides guidance on a number of areas that are not commonly included in project management frameworks but need to be addressed by programs. These areas typically include the design of a target operating model, program visioning, transition planning, and management and benefits management. These areas are excluded from project management frameworks but are absolutely essential for programs, not only to ensure alignment with corporate strategy, but also for validation and measurement of the outcomes and benefits for the organization. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free project management resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good eLearning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular project management resources, such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.